Hello everybody, welcome back to luckylhranch. We got all of our cement finally poured, and now we're back to welding all this metal up and get these pins done. So let me turn this camera around and we'll show you what it looks like. Okay. All poured, all dry, turned out really good. So now we can start getting all this put together. We actually got this pin done the other night. We have angle iron on the top here and down on the bottom, but then we also went ahead and put a piece of angle iron on the side. Otherwise this would bow back and forth and eventually the pigs would just bust it right off. Over on the other end, we were able to weld every strand to the pipe, and there wasn't room to put angle iron there. So hopefully that end will hold up. But this is what we're doing with each pin, is angle iron on the top and the bottom, and then angle iron on each side, so it makes that hog paneling really sturdy. So let's get busy and get these pins finished. Okay, so here you can see we've got our top and bottom angle iron, and we also have our two angle irons on the side. So the only thing we have left to do right here is cut us a piece of hog paneling and get it welded in. So here we go. Good morning everybody. Welcome back to luckylhranch. So we've really been getting some work done around here. Concrete's all been poured and dried, and John's been in here welding away. This first pin's all welded up, and he's working on the next three down through here. So hopefully by this afternoon may have them all welded up and ready for the pigs. So let's get started. Okay, so you can see all that cement got poured. And all the metal work for the pins is all done. So we've got 4 pins for sows on this side. And then we have 2 bigger pins for all the weaned hogs on this side. Okay, well, we've got the pins built, but we still have a little bit of work to do. We need to get water lines ran. We need to get some type of siding put up to block the wind for the pigs. And then we've got to get a roof done. Well, everybody, we want to thank you for stopping by Lucky H, and we hope to see you at the next video.